Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. This time I'm going to answer the question, why did I decide to sell this bag? So yeah, stay tuned to find out why. Okay, so this is probably the most difficult bag to find in the Chanel world, which is a vintage jumbo single flap with the large CCs in the caviar leather. If you guys can see, this is caviar. It is not lambskin. There are quite a few more lambskins out there in this same design with the big CCs, but a caviar version just does not come up very often. And so I did purchase this one from Sabina, and she has a YouTube and Instagram. So check her out, and she is currently selling a few items, including I think a couple vintage bags also with the large CCs and the lambskin leather. But yeah, so a lot of my friends and a lot of people asked me why I decided to give up, or why I decided to sell this one. And the reason why, so let me just put this down for a second. The reason why is because I got something in this box, and let me go ahead and show you what's in here. So let me go ahead and unbox this. So I have never unboxed this for you guys, but I am doing it now. So it's just a bunch of bubble wrap. And what's the best way to do this? Okay, so let me show it like this. So here we go. It is basically the same exact bag. Let me take this piece off. And here we go. So let me show them to you guys side by side. So they are exactly the same bag. The same series number. I think they are series 4. Oh, so yeah, so this bag, so let me go back and tell you about this bag here. So I was selling this on a payment plan to a great person. I'm not going to tell you her name, but you might see this bag appear on Instagram, probably. But the only thing that is wrong with this bag, or the only defect rather, well, let's back up. So when I received this bag, the sides were sort of like coming out, and this is the bag where I featured in my I Ironed My Chanel video, where I basically steamed the sides and I cinched them together. And now it is very structured. As you can see, it's nice and square. The only thing I was not able to fix are the little chain indents on the back pocket here. I'm sure if I had sent this to leather surgeons, they would be able to figure out how to get these marks off of the back. But I didn't want to spend, you know, hundreds of dollars to do that. And so instead of doing that, I just kept on scouring online until I found this guy. And so this bag, I swear, just like my Jumbo XL in the vintage style and the previous Jumbo that I had with the small CCs, it does not look like this bag has ever been worn. And so let me just give you guys a 360 tour of this bag. And look, the back is perfect. The sides are really nice. And yeah, so this is basically a perfect bag. It also comes with, in here, it also comes with the care booklet, and it also comes with the authenticity card. And as you can see, let me cover up a few of the numbers. It is a 4 series. And now with the series of these bags, and this is after doing a lot of comparisons. Let me let it focus a little bit. Little comparisons. I have noticed that the 4 series, there is no piping on the edges of the bag, but the 3 series now does have the piping. And I'll probably try to show a picture, maybe even on the whole screen, that shows the differences. And so yeah, that is the main difference that I have noticed between the 3 series and the 4 series of the Caviar Jumbos. And I have found a 3 series in almost perfect condition. Well, I think it is pretty much perfect condition. But I did do a poll on Instagram asking if you thought that the piping would, over time, you know, better function with the bag to keep its structure. But what I have found out is that the piping of bags tend to wear a lot faster, and there are chances that the piping can split open, and yeah, it would be really hard to repair that. And so, because I did think about buying that bag. I mean, that bag was very expensive, but and I know I'm crazy, and I thought about giving up this bag, even though you know, I just received it myself. But everybody was, you know, preferring the bag without the piping, and so I decided to keep this one, and it's such a beauty. There we go. So yeah, so the person that I sold this one to just completed the payment plan, and I will be sending this very soon, hopefully tomorrow. And so yeah, I just wanted to do this video when right before I was gonna send this one off. And yeah, I will miss this one because it is my first vintage jumbo in the caviar leather. I think my first one was actually the So Black one. But yeah, this one is probably, this one is a very you know, nice bag, and I think I did pretty good with this one. So I know it's really crazy, but let me just go ahead and give you guys a tour of this bag right here. So I won't tell you how much I got it for. Let's just say that it is currently the most expensive bag in my collection. Yeah, because like I said, this bag is very rare and very hard to find, and yeah, I had to jump on it when I found one in perfect condition. So this turn lock is, you can hear it, it's perfect. Let me open the bag. So there are no CCs on the flap here, and as you can see, it is a single flap. And let me show you the inside. The inside is black. You can see that little white dot right there. That is the authenticity sticker, and it matches the authenticity card number. There is a flat pocket back here, and there is a zippered pocket right here. As you can see, here is the zipper pull, and it is a plastic zipper pull, I believe. Or is it just black metal? No, I think it is actually metal. No, it's plastic. I think the zipper pull itself is metal, but then the teeth of the zipper are plastic. And yeah, the inside is very clean. And here is a tip for you know, trying to figure out how much a bag has been used, just by the authenticity sticker inside of a Chanel bag. If it is looking like in brand new condition, chances are the bag was rarely used. But if the sticker is very tattered looking, then of course you know that the bag has been used quite a bit. And so I do not plan on using the chains, and so the chains on a vintage bag are very, very heavy. I'm not going to use the chains as the strap. I do have this strap that I did get from Mauto.com that I used with my previous one that worked very well, and I will soon attach this one to this bag as well. And now, since the weather here in Minnesota is spring, I mean, the winter has been really crazy, but now that it is spring, I'll definitely bring this bag out with me very, very soon. So I will attach the strap very, very soon. But yeah, so that is why I decided to sell this bag, and I am sure the new owner will love it to pieces. And yeah, that's all I really wanted to say for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I answered anybody's question, for those of you who are wondering why the heck I decided to sell that bag. But yeah, so if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. And yeah, until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.